Looking to reduce your spa pool's operating costs? Discover how the EcoCube heat pump can help you save money and enjoy your spa pool all year round. Heating a spa can be expensive and energy intensive. Some people even turn their spa pools off over the colder winter months. One solution to that will allow you to use your spa all year and lower energy costs is to install a spa pool heat pump. In this video, I'll review SpaNet's EcoCube heat pump to help you decide if it's the right investment for you. Spa heat pumps are designed to efficiently heat and cool spa pools. They can save you up to 75% in energy consumption, which means you can recover the purchase cost in a short amount of time and then save money for years afterwards. What is the SpaNet EcoCube heat pump? The SpaNet EcoCube heat pump is a compact, cost-effective heating solution for small to medium-sized spa pools. It's easy to install and uses eco-friendly refrigerant in the cooling cycle. The heat is transferred to the spa water through a titanium heat exchanger for improved performance and durability. It comes in two sizes, a 3.3 kilowatt and 5.5 kilowatt version. Pros of the SpaNet EcoCube heat pump: dual core heating and cooling functions, so you can enjoy your spa all year round. Affordable and economical for quick payback and added savings. Integration with SpaNet controls for easy temperature adjustment and installation. DIY installation with direct plug-and-play cable connections. Environmentally friendly with natural refrigerant. Durable design with UV-resistant cabinet and water protection rating. Quiet and discreet operation. Cons of the SpaNet EcoCube heat pump: suitable for small to medium-sized spa pools only. Not suitable for larger spa pools or swim spas. If you want to use your small to medium-sized spa pool all year round with heating and cooling and are after a budget-friendly heat pump with quick payback time, then the EcoCube heat pump could be a great choice for you. For larger spa pools or swim spas, consider a heat pump with higher capacity of above 5.5 kilowatts, such as the SpaNet SV Series 8 kilowatt heat pump. Visit the Spa Pool website or contact our sales team for pricing and more information.